Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you're well and rested and ready to get into some kindergarten math. I know I am. Let's get ready. Today, during our kindergarten math lesson, we are going to solve take-from problems using number bonds and equations. Kindergarten, when we say we're going to solve take-from problems, what do we mean? That's right, kindergarten. We are going to be subtracting. Remember, subtraction is when you take away one part from the whole. During today's math lesson, we are going to read subtraction number stories, and we're going to represent our thinking and our problem solving by using a number bond and an equation. Let's read our first number story. Ready? Read. There are 10 toy ducks. Cross out 6. How many are left? Remember, when we cross out, we're showing the number part that we are taking away from the whole. We use X's to show the part we're taking away. We started with how many ducks, kindergarten? You guessed it, 10. Let's count to make sure we have that represented in our drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are a total of 10 ducks. But something changes, kindergarten. What changes? You guessed it. We cross out 6 ducks. When we cross out our 6 ducks, let's think about what our equation should look like and our number bond. Remember, our number bond and our equation should match. Kindergarten, in our number story, we started off with how many ducks? You guessed it, 10 ducks. We represent 10 as the whole in our number bond and our number sentence or equation. But then, as we read, something changed in this story. What changed, kindergarten? That's right. We needed to cross out 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks get crossed out in our picture. And then we want to add that number part to our equation and to our number bond to make sure that they look the same. In my number bond, I X out the 6 so you understand that that's the cross out number. Now, kindergarten, we have to figure out how many ducks are left. Can you tell by looking at the drawing how many ducks are left and what our number bond and equation should look like next? Let's see. So far, kindergarten, we figured out that there were 10 ducks all together. But then something happened. 6 were crossed off. So we showed that as one of our parts in our number bond and in our equation. After we crossed off 6, what did we have to do next, kindergarten? You guessed it, we needed to count to see how many ducks were left. Ducks without X's on them, right? Let's count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 ducks take away 6 ducks leaves 4 ducks remaining. 10 take away 6 equals 4 ducks. Nice job, kindergarten. Let's try another. Kindergarten, let's read our next subtraction number story. Ready? Read. There are 10 toy ducks. Cross out 1. How many are left? Kindergarten, we have a total of how many ducks? You guessed it, 10. 10 is represented in the whole in our number bond and in our equation is written first. But something changes in our number story. What happens, kindergarten? We need to subtract 1. We show that we're subtracting 1 duck from 10 by doing what, kindergarten? Excellent. We are crossing out 1 duck. And once we do that, we can fill in our number bond and our number equation. They should match, don't forget. Let's see what we come up with. Kindergarten, we want to model our thinking with our number bond and our equation for this number story. Once again, there are 10 toy ducks. Cross out 1. How many are left? And our drawing, which, by the way, kindergarten, is this a 5 group of 10? It is not. Sometimes our picture or our drawing will not be organized in a 5 group of 10, but we still have to do our best to count correctly. Kabish? I hear you all saying kabosh. Okay, so our total number of ducks is how many, kindergarten? 10. 10 belongs in our whole, and 10 belongs in the first part of our equation. But then something changed. What happened, kindergarten? We subtracted 1 duck. Good job. So we cross out our duck, and then we put 1 in our number bond, and we need to make sure that our number bond matches our, you guessed it, equation. Kiss your brain, you're cooking with gas. So our equation reads so far, 10 take away 1 duck. After we take away 1 duck, what do we do next, kindergarten? Aha! We need to count how many ducks are remaining. Can you tell from the drawing how many ducks are remaining or left? Let's see. Kindergarten, we had 10 ducks altogether and we subtracted 1. Now we're trying to figure out from our drawing how many ducks are remaining. Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ducks remaining. So our sentence should read 10 take away 1 duck equals 9 ducks left. Does our equation and our number bond match? Yes, it does. It's a perfect match. Kindergarten, I want to draw your attention to the way our story is drawn. Does this look like a 5 group of 10? No, it is not. Sometimes our stories won't be drawn in a 5 group of 10. Our job is still to take our time and count as accurately or correctly as possible by slowing down and taking our time. Kabish? I hear you out there saying kibosh. Now, I think you're ready to try a number story by yourself. Get your pencil, get your piece of paper, and get ready to work independently on the next number story. Ready? Go. Okay, kindergarten, thumbs up if you have your pencil and your paper ready. Good job. Let's read our number story. Ready? Go. There are 10 toy ducks. Cross out 3. How many are left? Kindergarten, your job is to complete your whole and your part for the first part of our equation and our number bond. Use your drawing. Remember, you need how many circles? And then how many are you going to subtract? Ready, go. Kindergarten, thumbs up if you counted out 10 ducks and wrote 10 as the whole in our number bond and equation. Nice work. Next, we subtracted how many ducks? That's right. 3 ducks were subtracted. That means we crossed off 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 is written in as a part in our number bond. We put an X over it to make sure that everybody who looks at it knows that that's our cross-off number. Then we wrote a 3 in the equation. What happens now, kindergarten? That's right. We need to show how many ducks are left. Kindergarten, how many ducks are left? Kindergarten, did you count the remaining ducks left after you crossed off 3? Let's count together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means there are 7 ducks left. Does your equation read 10 take away 3 equals 7? Does it match your number bond? Incredible, kindergarten. Kiss your brain 2 times. Mwah, mwah. Guess what you're ready for? You got it. You're ready for your packet assignment for today. Let's take a quick look at what you're expected to do. Kindergarten, for today's packet assignment, you are expected to read your number story and model your thinking with an equation and number bond. Kindergarten, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. I know you're going to do an excellent job at it. I hope that after you're finished, you have some fun in the sun and enjoy the rest of your day. I will see you soon.